Hey, Thomas Garetz here, and if you want to learn how to make money with Legendary Marketer, you have to focus on not making money. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy I used to make it onto the leaderboard of Legendary Marketer with only 200 people in my audience. And if you follow what I'm going to teach you in this video and watch until the end, you'll be able to do the exact same thing. But hey, if that sounds at all interesting to you, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. So I know at the beginning of the video, I told you to make money online with Legendary Marketer, you have to focus on not making money. I know that sounds a little silly, but just bear with me, okay? So for me, and I'm sure for you, it's about the same for everyone when they're just starting out. The only thing you want to do is make money because you haven't made money yet. You're like, I need to make this first sale. I got to do it. I got to do it. And I get that. I really do. And the thing is, as hard as it is to not focus on that, you have to not focus on it. Because at the end of the day, sure, it might make you feel good seeing that first commission, but that money, I mean, what is it going to do for you? You have to have a different mindset. You have to look at the long game, okay? So when I'm saying to not focus on making money, I'm not saying to never sell anyone. I'm just saying don't try and sell someone the first time you talk to them. Don't get in Facebook groups and start posting your link. You just have to be smart. On average, it takes 7 to 12 touches, like points of contact, to actually sell someone, okay? So it's not like you're gonna sell them the first time you talk to them, so like don't even think about it. It's like if you're a woman or a man, whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're on a date with someone and you're trying to bring them home with you the first date, typically it doesn't work, okay? Because you're just going straight for the kill. You're going straight for the sale, right? You don't want to do that. Okay, so for me, it was hard, right? And I focused on that for so long and I made absolutely no money at all. And it wasn't until I started focusing on just providing value, creating helpful content, and not even worrying about selling was when I started making sales. I know it sounds crazy, but it's the truth. Okay, so my strategy was, as you can tell, YouTube. Okay, but with YouTube, you need to have a support platform. So I used YouTube and Facebook, and on Facebook, I was doing my Facebook group and my Facebook profile. Okay, so that's the first step. You have to pick a platform. Okay, and you don't have to do two, you can do just one. I'd suggest if you're doing something like blogging, you can have a support platform like Pinterest. Those are great, they go together very well. And same with YouTube and Facebook, or like podcasting and whatever. I don't know about podcasting, but you'd want to support with that. However, you can just do YouTube, you can just do Facebook. I wouldn't suggest to just do Pinterest, like, because you need to blog with it. You get what I'm saying though? So you got to pick your platform, and then you have to pick a schedule and stick to it. Like for me, I upload every Wednesday on my YouTube channel at 4 p.m. right? And I stick to that, okay? And you have to stay consistent. That's like the main thing. If you upload 20 videos in a week and then no videos the rest of the year, it's just not gonna work. But if you uploaded 20 videos that year, like separated them out, it would work a lot better, right? So you just have to be consistent. And I'm not saying you gotta post once a week or even twice a week. I would, if you're doing YouTube, suggest doing at least once a week, but you just have to do what works for you, okay? That's what's most important, okay? And then also the main thing you wanna be focusing on as well is you wanna have an email list, okay? So that's very, very important. And the way you're gonna wanna get email subscribers to your list is you're gonna create a lead magnet, right? Like I used an ebook, but you can create something as simple as like a checklist, cheat sheet. And I'll link up above to a video I did. It's where I create one on Canva for free. It's super simple. You need to have one of those. And the reason being is because you want to start, like if you're doing Facebook, for example, and your Facebook lives. And then at the end of each of your lives, you could be like, hey, for example, if you're talking about how to make money with Facebook or something, you're like, I got this lead magnet that gives you tips on how to make money with Facebook, right? You want it to be related, right, to your niche, obviously. And it's okay to be kind of all over the place when you're first starting, but try as hard as you can to get like laser focused on what your strategy is, right? Like don't be talking about fitness one day and make money online the next, right? If you're gonna do make money online, focus on making money online, right? And you could even niche down a little bit, be like, I make money online with Facebook or whatever, right? Like with affiliate marketing on Facebook. Okay, so just be mindful of that, okay? So then after that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually start sending those emails, okay? Just make sure you're sending your list an email at least once a week, okay? So that's very important. You want to keep them like aware of like you're a person, right? You don't want them to forget about you because then they start pressing spam or unsubscribe, and that's not good, okay? So for me, what I did is, again, I uploaded to YouTube once a week, and on Facebook, I uploaded to my profile and my Facebook group every single day, okay? So how I started getting sales is just, I did a little bit of solo ads, so it wasn't completely free, but that really isn't where I got the sales from. I just did that to get a little bit of people on my email list, you know? But truly, what worked best for me was actually going into other people's Facebook groups and just providing value. And all link up above, this is like the Facebook strategy. I'm just trying to give you like an overview strategy because not everyone wants to do video, right? So I'm trying to go overview like of what you can do on other platforms. But that video above, that goes into like Facebook strategy, and that's the strategy I truly suggest. But there's so many things that work. The main thing is to pick one strategy and just follow that until successful. Okay, whether you're doing blogging, whether you're doing podcasting, YouTube, doesn't matter. You just need to focus on that, okay? So I'm not trying to make it too long about all that, but the main thing is you want to be providing value, growing your list, and just truly focusing on helping people and not focusing on selling people, okay? And remember, you have to consistently upload content. Okay, I don't care if that's every day or every other day or whatever. If you're on Facebook, make sure it's every day because you never know who's gonna see your posts. I've made sales from people who aren't even friends with me finding my post because someone else liked it or whatever. Okay, so it may not seem worth it, and some days it might feel that way. And it took me 6 months of doing this stuff every single day to make my first sale. 6 months might seem like forever, but in the grand scheme of things, it really isn't. It really isn't. So just keep at it. If you truly want it, I promise you it will work. If you work it, you just got to take action. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to sign up for Legendary, it's going to be the first link in the description. That's my #1 recommendation. And if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, you can watch these 2 videos right here. They go much more in depth about it. And make sure, before you leave, you give this video a like and you click my face right here to subscribe to my channel. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.